So in this lecture I'm going to show you how to configure an enable password. Enable password is the first line of defense when signing on to a router, whether it's locally or whether it's remotely. So the first thing I want to do is go to router 1. I'll start with that. Go to the command line. I'll type enable. And so right now when I type enable, there's no password, so there's no enable password set. I'm right at privileged exec mode at this point. And so what I want to do is configure terminal. And the first thing I want to do before configuring any passwords is I want to enable service password encryption. And that's a global command. And what it does is anytime you use service password encryption, it will make all of the password use unreadable in the configuration script. And that's an important security feature. So when I configure an enable password, it will actually encrypt it. And I'll show you how that works. So I'm going to configure enable password. And you should use complex passwords as well. I'm using something kind of basic here. You should use something that's complex, and you can change it frequently as well. So I'll just do a simple, just enable password Cisconet. That's all there is to it. And then I'll go to end, and I'll copy run to start. Make sure that's updated, the startup configuration. Then I'll type exit again, because I want to go right out to the top level, and I want to test it, make sure it works okay. So I'll go enable again, and this time I'm going to use the password, enable password. So it asks me for the password, it is correct, and so it does work. So next thing I want to do is just go to the configuration script. I use show run, but it's also show running config. Is the longer version of it. And you notice there's the enable password. Service password encryption is enabled, and it's not readable. The password's not readable in the configuration script. So and that's how that works. And that concludes enable password.